Hi there! If you want better grip, smoother pedaling, and a strong, lightweight build on your bike, you are in the right place. Welcome back to Best Product. Today we are talking about the best aluminum alloy bike pedals that can instantly upgrade your cycling performance and control. Let's get started. Let's check out the Rockbros K203 aluminum alloy bike pedals. Rockbros designed these pedals to improve stability, durability, and overall riding comfort. From the first look, you can tell they are built with both performance and style in mind. One of the key features of the Rockbros K203 pedals is the 6 anti-slip foot spikes on each pedal. These spikes grip your shoes firmly, helping your feet stay in place even when riding on rough or uneven terrain. This is especially helpful during fast rides or steep climbs where foot stability really matters. With better grip, you can focus more on your ride and less on adjusting your feet. The pedals are made using one-piece molding craftsmanship. This means the body is formed as a single solid piece, which increases strength and durability. There are no weak joints, so the pedals can handle heavy pressure and long-term use. Rockbros also added a polarized treatment to the surface. This not only improves resistance to wear, but also gives the pedals a sleek and modern look that stands out on any bike. Another major highlight is the sealed bearing technology. The Rockbros K203 pedals are designed to be waterproof and dustproof. This is important because dirt and water can easily damage regular pedals over time. With sealed bearings, the internal components stay protected. You get smooth and efficient rotation, even in rainy weather or dusty trail conditions. The result is a more comfortable and reliable ride. Compatibility is also simple and convenient. The universal threaded mouth allows these pedals to fit a wide range of bicycles. Whether you ride a mountain bike or a road bike, the Rockbros K203 aluminum alloy bike pedals can be easily installed. This versatility makes them a great upgrade without worrying about complicated setup. Weight plays a big role in cycling performance, and these pedals are impressively light. Weighing only 303 grams per pair, they help reduce extra load on your bike. A lighter pedal supports faster pedaling and can reduce fatigue during long rides. You get strength and durability without adding unnecessary weight. Overall, the Rockbros K203 aluminum alloy bike pedals combine strong construction, excellent grip, sealed bearing protection, universal compatibility, and an ultralight design. Rockbros clearly focused on giving riders a balanced mix of performance and style. They look sharp, feel solid, and deliver smooth rotation every time you ride. Small upgrades can make a big difference. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more great gear updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.